Fleet, let's check out SURRON Storm B. This is a full-size electric motorcycle. It has a 520 Newton meters torque and powered by 90 volts 48 Ah battery, which makes up around 100 kilometers range. Maybe just a standard speed of 50 kilometers per hour. And speaking of the speed, it can go as fast as 110 kilometers per hour. So we have a Storm B here. This is from Urban Fleet customer. So this is a replacement of MCU motor control unit. Motor control unit is located here. So it is for replacement. So Urban Fleet or contact its main SURRON factory for troubleshooting, and as recommended by the factory, it is for replacement ng MCU. So samahan nyo kami for the replacement of this MCU, and it's gonna take up hours, so makakailangan tayo ng tulong. What I have here is the replacement MCU for SURRON Storm B. If you have a Storm B, you can contact Urban Fleet for the replacement parts. So what we have here is the free replacement parts, so it's still under warranty. So tingnan natin kung paano natin i-replace to. It's gonna take up some time. Let's check out SURRON Storm B, at sana balang araw ma-test natin to at magamit natin sa trail, because I bet pag nagawa na itong MCU or na-replace na itong MCU, pwede na natin ma-test ride itong SURRON Storm B. Ma-test na natin siya sa track or sa trail. Ma-experience na natin yung performance and capabilities nitong SURRON Storm B. Okay. Magsimula tayo sa tires. Nandito na rin tayo sa harap eh. If you can see here, we have 21-inch tires. Ayan o. 2.0 width and knobby tires. Ayan o. Ang ganda na ng brakes niya o. Pang motorcycle na talaga. At itong inverted suspension niya. Capable of traveling around 47 millimeters. 249 millimeters travel. As you can see here at the middle, this is the battery. Itong battery nito parang SURRON X din na di-detach from the bike itself. So pwede natin tanggalin ito at i-charge natin sa bahay natin, sa opisina, or sa pupuntahan nating lugar, or pwede na natin i-charge dito. May outlet na siya dito. Sa mga mall pwede na nating ilagay yung outlet dyan. At yung outlet niyan, if you're wondering, para lang rin sa SURRON X na just like a normal outlet sa mga bahay. Katulad na sinasaksakan nyo ng TV, electric fan, pareho lang. So as we mentioned, papalitan natin ng MCU, yung controller. And ito yung motor niya. Brushless motor na siya. Yeah, powerful motor din the SURRON X. Of course, it is a full-size electric motorcycle na siya. And as you can see here, good chains and a big sprocket. So as you can see here, we have knobby tires at the rear, 18-inch tires. Ang width niya is 100. So powered by a 52 teeth sprocket, and then it has a full rear suspension, adjustable suspension at the back. I bet ang sarap nitong i-ride, napakagaan or napakalambot pag nasa track ka. Okay? So dito sa handles niya, meron siyang gauge dito. Wala siyang foot brakes. May several functions siya, like headlights niya, kill-off switch, and I bet meron pa mga technology dito which we will just tackle on the next vlog. So this is available at Urban Fleet. If you guys are interested in this one, you could pre-order this one. Mostly ngayon pre-order kasi nagkakaubusan nga ng stock everywhere in the world. This is a high demand electric full motorcycle, and also yung SURRON X nagkakaubusan na. So aswerte nyo pagka may makuha pa kayo. And I bet guys na mag-enjoy kayo dito sa bagong laruan nyo. Okay, so let's start off with dismantling the parts of SURRON Storm B so we could replace the MCU. Alright guys, nagsimula na tayong mag-dismantle ng mga cover ng SURRON Storm B, you're going to need the tools, certain sizes of ratchet. Okay, so you will need a certain size of socket to dismantle the seats. Now that we have dismantled the seats, you can see the powerful battery of SURRON Storm B, 90 volts, 48 Ah, Sony battery cells. These are the sockets for the power source and the connector. From here, we're going to remove the battery. It has a safety latch. Pareho lang yan ng SURRON X, no? Na may connector at power source. That's how we remove the battery. Ilang ano yan? Ilang kilo yan?
No? Mga 20
kilos. Ano?
Ilan?
23, 24, 25 kilos. And there we have the SURRON Storm B without the battery. Ang laki na space nyo. Ito tatanggalin natin yung controller. Siguro dinesign siya ng SURRON company na wag dito sa harap because of the abuse. It can protect the controller from the abuse that it will take. Kasi ito na yung mga lumilipat sa mga truck mga production bike. Pwede na to eh. Nagagawa niya na yung mga talon sa mga truck. Mga palipad-lipad, tama ba? So step 1, tinanggal natin yung seats. Step 2, we have removed the battery. And then this is the next procedure. Call that the plastic bolt. So what we have here is the sump for the water that goes to the radiator here. So that controller is cooled by the water. So we have the sample here. Dito papasok yung water. Ito yung entry niya, ito yung exit niya. So the system will be cooled off by water. Galing, no? On the other side, ganun din, i-remove natin yung mga lock pin. Remove na natin yung plastic skid plate, and then part with it is the horn, and we have removed the socket connector to it, electrical socket connector, until ma-expose na natin yung cover ng controller. Pinakyum natin yung mga namuong mga lupa, mga debris that was stuck on the edges of the frame na hindi na abot pag naglilinis because nga it is covered. So it is nice to have a clean workshop so as you could perform your technical duties properly. Hindi makalat. I mean, you have to be organized on this kind of technical work. Replacement for the Storm B. Right, guys, we're closing in for the removal of the control unit. Guys, medyo mabusisi lang talaga ang mga pagtatanggal at pagre-reinstall ito, so it will take time. You should have a technical know-how on the basics of the mechanical side. Uy, amoy sunog ah. Oh, as you can see here, ito yung sunog na part, oh. May natunaw na portion sa plastic cap niya, oh, cover. Yan, oh. Andito yung schematic. Ano? Ayun yung amoy sunog, yeah. Yung 1, 2, 3, 4, yung kaapat na wire ang nasunog. Kaya papalitan tong ano to controller kasi nag-overheat during uphill climb. Sobra pa yata sa ang tagal niyan naka wide open throttle tapos nakapiga ng todo tapos climb. Yan yung nasunog oh. So pace wire ba to? Damay na tong ano. Ting palitan. Guys, we have installed the controller first. We will connect the necessary harnesses. Hindi muna namin ibabalik ang bracket, just first to test. Sort of a sensor here at the dash guard. Let's connect the power source in the storm.
Yun.
Okay. Turn on the switch.
Kaya ito yung pag pinano, ready.
And the rear tire is spinning. Nice. Our project here is a success. Now we may install other panels and we will install all the parts of the Storm B. And after which we're gonna test it for a ride. Good job for us. Alright, everything is neat and finished. For the final touches will be to put on the seats of Storm B. There you go. Let's run this thing. Damn. Woo! So cool. See how powerful this is. SURRON Storm B. One of 3 in the Philippines. Get your SURRON Storm B now at Urban Fleet. Alright guys, one of this day we're gonna try this Storm B on the trails. How it performs. Guys, you're gonna be amazed how it delivers the power, the stability, and everything on this ride. Go check this out on Urban Fleet. Get yours now. See you on the trail guys. See you on the next vlog. Thank you. Alright guys, we're gonna try to do a drag race versus a Storm B and SURRON X. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, round 2. 3, 2, 1, go! motorcycle so powerful. You can feel the torque. This is a must-have electric motorcycle. Check this one out.